Okay. So, awan lang ako, but I didn't really clean it. Okay, I'm back. So, nagpalit ako Watsons nga po, nagpalit ko og 3 products kay medyo nag-breakout ang good kay ko, and then nag-google ko kay ang breakout ko, and then I didn't really change anything sa akong face routine, and then nag-google ko basig kuhaan ang kuha siyang lotion or something kay I'm more oily than normal. And so nag-google ko, nag-TikTok ko actually kung saan ka po nga kuhaan nga moisturizer kay basig moisturizer na ako medyo dili siya oily kung ako dito sa North America, pero diri napansin ako oily kay when I feel so greasy all the time. And then day and night ko na ako na ginagamit, and isip na ako kasi dili na ako kailangan mag moisturizer kay syempre oily akong face at yung moisturizer ko sumasamot siya. So nag-google ko dapat ay mag-moisturizer gihapon, but you have to use non-comedogenic na moisturizer. Ito ko sa Watsons, and then actually sila nakita na ko, and also gel cleanser, dili pwede ang cream, dili pwede ang kanang lain nga texture, oil nga texture, kanang foam texture, dili mas best ang gel. So nagpalit ko kaysa pala na ko siya nagamit kagabi pa lang. It's Acne Solutions Silitic Dermoscience Acne Cleansing Gel. So muna akong face wash ko po siya. It doesn't bubble a lot because gel texture man siya. Naka-use naman ko gel texture sa Cetaphil, but wala kay ko na happy kay I don't see big difference. I don't see big difference though, pero i-partneran ako siya o kaning, or maybe kani ang naka big difference, I don't know. But siya, same brand, Celitic Hydration Facial Moisturizer. And also, nakabutan siya non-comedogenic and water-based, oil-free, which is recommended sa TikTok people. So, try na ko siya. Oh my gosh, pag first na ko gamit, mura siya matte. It's like a matte finish and smooth. Wala siya ko na oily. Actually karon, less oily ko karon compared sa kanang usually nga ano. But yeah, so muna akong first. And then nag-use po ko acne spot corrector, acne solution. So baligiwatan na ko siya on top but sa spots lang, kay medyo gamay lang man siya yung pag expensive kayo. So but this is worth it. Oh my gosh, this is so worth it. I will be using this for the rest of my life. Siguro lang brand na but this is so perfect. Anyways, magkuhan ako. I think magluto ko. Hindi pa man akong work alas 7. Bali, night shift ko. Oh my gosh, hapit ko malik kagabi sa akong shift peak. Kay natulog ko, and then umuulan yung alarm akong cellphone. So namata ko 6 minutes late ko sa akong shift peak. So ang ending, akong shift is kadlawon. So I work 1 a.m. hantod 10 a.m. and then 8 p.m. onwards na po, or 9:30 p.m. para ako ng study hall lang. But oh my gosh, I will be in night shift. Anyways, magkuhan ako, maglimpyo, maghugas ko, magluto ko hotdog. Ako mo pa nag-cow rice actually. Nag-cow rice ka na in the morning na, but I don't really, I have to slice gulay because I have to eat gulay. And yeah, mana na maligo ko. And siguro manibyo ako CR. And then chill na ko. Making marinade for my fish.
She's a girl, and she's been a touching or unsanitary exchange of saliva. Got it. Although, for the record, on one occasion, she licked her thumb during a raspberry jelly before. Hey, I assure you I'm fine. My relationship with Amy was purely intellectual. There were no emotional bonds, the severing of which would cause me any discomfort. The relationship simply outlived its utility. I'm continuing on with my life. Terrific. My point is, you didn't make up what the three of this breakdown. I'm just not dating someone right now. I need to go to a senior center.
Very yummy.
Meemaw resisted at first, but now she loves it. Alright, if I don't meet someone soon, you can put me in a home. It's not a home, it's a senior center. They never put Meemaw in a home.